Is Daddy here?
He's working on it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear lady. Happy birthday to you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings, dear Brady and Logan. God's blessings to you. Okay, you blow your candles, Brady. Whoa! Blow hard, Logan. Oh, no,
Get the candles out and lick it.
Don't bite them.
Bite it.
Don't bite them. You can lick them. Don't bite them.
Oh my God. Is it good? Don't put them back.
No.
Put them on that
Put
plate
'em on
right
the
there.
plate.
Put them on the plate
Put
over
them on
here.
the plate. Okay, you can lick them. Lick another one, Brady. Logan can lick another one.
Quality video.
And many more.
It'll make a million hits.
Most definitely.
What's on that birthday cake?
Most
Thought about
My
double dipping it.
clothes.
Uh-huh.